So now let's see how we can work around and create a DVD jacket and a CD jacket inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So the process to create DVD jacket and CD jacket is by going into the create option right here. And here you can see DVD jacket is an option. You can go around and select out a theme right here, and the size will be set for the jacket, and it'll arrange out a template as you can see. And as with any other Photoshop files, you can go around and then add in images according to how you like. So I'm just going to go around and add in this image. Let's say, for example, you can resize this, place this anywhere you want right here, just like that. So I'm just going to go around, and over here, you can press the check mark as well. I'm going to click over here as well, and then I'm going to select out another image. So let me just go around over here onto a photo collection and select out an image right here. I'm going to go around over here and select out over here as well, and then this is what you have. You can go around, resize it, press the check mark button, move it wherever you want, as you can see, just like this, and resize it out over here as well. So that is what you have. You can press the check mark button, and this is what you have. You can go around onto the advanced mode and then add in other elements as per your likings as well. You can work around with individual layers as well. So now what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to start designing this, and then you're supposed to go around and print it. And same goes with the CD cover as well. So let's say I'm just going to go around and save this right here, and I'm just going to go around and save it, and then it'll save out as a file. Let me just close it. And this is what you have. And for the CD cover as well, you can go around onto the create button and click on CD jacket right here. And once you do that, you see the same option as the DVD jacket, but it is more square in size, referring to the CD covers. And then you can go around and start editing this the same way as well. And that is how you can go around and then work around with DVD jacket and CD jacket, and add in things as you like inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.